Hello, PBMA community. This is Alexis Olson for the Wavemakers, bringing you closer to the action and stories happening within our school community. Let's dive into our first Wavemakers episode for the new year, the week of January 6th through the 9th, 2026.
Hey Sharks, my name is Marissa.
And I'm Aaliyah, and
here's some quick Shark updates. Don't miss your chance to capture the memories. The 2025 yearbook is on sale and is extended until February 28th. Grab yours now for just $34. Secondary students, go to yearbookordercenter.com and remember to use the code 26591 when ordering. Secure your copy before the prices go up.
Sharks, remember, all cell phones and electronic devices must be placed in your yonder pouches during the first period and kept there throughout the day. This helps avoid class disruptions and keeps everyone focused on learning. Let's stay present, stay focused, and keep our classrooms distraction-free.
A quick reminder about the 10-10 rule. No patches during the first or last 10 minutes of class. Let's focus and make every minute of learning count.
Sharks, don't forget to subscribe to PBMA's official YouTube channel where you can see all Wavemakers episodes. Like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.
That's it for this week's Quick Shark Updates.
Back to you, Alexis.
As we begin the new year, we're focusing on fresh starts and new goals. This week, our team went around the campus to talk with teachers and students about their New Year's resolutions for academic goals to personal growth and positive habits. Let's see how our PBMA community is starting the year strong. Here's Sophia and Kenzie for Lighthouse.
Hey Sharks, welcome back to the Lighthouse where we highlight the voices and stories of our PBMA community.
As we kick off the new year, we are making plans, setting goals, and thinking of how we want to grow in 2026.
Today we're heading around campus and asking our Sharks one simple but meaningful question. What's your New Year's resolution? Let's hear what our Sharks have to say. Hi, we're with the Wavemakers. Can I ask you a question today?
Yes, you can.
What's your New Year's resolution? Is it more school related or personal or both?
I think my New Year's resolution is related to both because sleep helps with a lot of things like your mental clarity and how you focus. So
more sleep?
Yeah.
Wow, that's a great goal. I hope you achieve it this year.
Thank
Good luck
you.
with that.
Hi, we're from the Wavemakers. Can I ask you a quick question?
Yes.
What's your New Year's resolution, and is it school or personal related?
This one is related with this because I want to improve the level of P entry. That's why I want to improve my, my score.
Okay, I hope that works out for you this year.
Hi, we're from the Wavemakers. Can I ask you a question today?
Of course.
What's your New Year's resolution? Is it school related or personal or both?
I have a personal New Year's resolution, and my resolution this year is to read 50 books in the year 2026.
Wow, that's an awesome goal. Good luck with that.
Thanks.
Hope you accomplish it this year. Thank you. Hi, we're from the Wavemakers. Can I ask you a question today?
Yes, of course.
What's your New Year's resolution? Is it more school related or personal or both?
Mine's more personal. I want to improve myself. And there's also some school ones like getting better grades and performing better on tests.
Okay, good luck with that goal. I hope you reach it by the end of this year.
Hi, I'm with the Wavemakers. Can I ask you a question?
Yeah.
What's your New Year's resolution, and is it more school related, personal, or both?
I would say mine is more personal. I want to make more money and leave the sevens alone, talk to dimes only.
I hope you can do that. Thank you to everyone who shared their New Year's resolutions with us. We wish you all the best as we work towards our goals one step at a time.
Be sure to check out this week's content, including Wavemakers, Shark Bites, and other highlights from around campus.
That's all for today's Lighthouse segment.
I am Kenzie Beffer.
And I'm Sophia Varallo, and this has been the Lighthouse.
Guiding the way.
Have a great week.
now for the quote of the week. Education is our passport to the future, for tomorrow belongs to the people who prepare for it today. That's it for this week's Wavemakers. Sharks, always remember to reflect our shark mentality by being safe, respectful, and responsible. Again, this is Alexis Olson for the Wavemakers.